Hello, this is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach here looking at Google Sheets. So, in this video, we're going to take a shot at showing you how to use some formulas. I'm going to stick to a couple of the basic ones that I see that could definitely help you in your daily practices. So, let's look. I've modified my chart from earlier. I've added an average and some value for each one of these respective columns. So, let's start with average. So we're going to go up here, hit average. I'm going to use, I know you can't see my keyboard, but I'm going to use the shift button so I can grab all of these at once. And then I'm going to press enter. 27.5 is my average of all of these values. Now, I'm going to go ahead and center this and make this the same. Now let's do the same over here. Do average. Now I'm going to use the control button so that you can see me grab all of these individually. 43.5. Now let's do a sum. And we'll do a sum here as well. Oh, escape. Go down here, sum there. And let's fix this guy to be representative of everything else. Okay. Those are two of the more prevalent formulas that I could see folks using over time. There are others in here. I would say start slow and work your way into other options. This is very structured with only a little bit of data. The only difference is if you've got, obviously larger columns of data, you're just going to be selecting multiple values. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, enjoy your day.